From the depths of our oceans rises a call that unites the world. A call to celebrate friendship, freedom, and the spirit of the sea. An International Fleet Review, or IFR, is a grand assembly of ships, aircraft, and sailors from navies across the globe. A maritime tradition of trust, where the ocean becomes a stage for peace, partnership, and cooperation.
India's IFR story began in 1953 at Spithead, a moment that placed India on the global maritime stage. In the years ahead, the Indian Navy took part in various fleet reviews abroad before hosting its first IFR in 2001 at Mumbai and followed by a landmark edition in 2016 at Visakhapatnam. Each underscoring India's rising sea power and global friendships.
Is February 2026, India once again welcomes the fleets of the world to Visakhapatnam, uniting the International Fleet Review, Exercise Milan, and the Indian Ocean Naval Symposium. A defining step in realizing the Honourable Prime Minister's Mahasagar vision, and India's role as a global security partner. When fleets of the world sail together, they carry a message beyond boundaries, of harmony, trust, and shared destiny. See you in February 2026 at Visakhapatnam.